Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is about editing and stacking, just stacking 3 images, because somebody's already asked, a couple of people are asking how you stack your images in Photoshop. It's pretty easy and everybody's showed you. I suppose there's hundreds of videos out there now in the wide world. So what we'll do first is new screen recording. We'll start a new screen recording. We'll click record. So I'm going to open a couple of images here from the waterfall at the weekend. Open. So I had a couple of images here on a waterfall. One of the images that I want to try and show you, because sometimes when you do merge them together, there's always wee mistakes, and I notice this wee mistakes in other people's work, and I don't like to say them, but computers and AI is never always correct, so sometimes you're better doing it yourself. I do it myself this way, so I'm going to show you how I do it, and you can figure out your own way, I suppose, how you would like to do it. Right, pick some images. I'm going to pick, where am I? 63, 64, 67 and 68. I don't need 67, I'll go 68 and 69, because I took this and I've done a wee bit of a panel and I tried to get the top half in more of this image. So I'm going to open this image. What we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 images. So what we'll do is select them all first, and I'm going to change them to Adobe Landscape. As you can see, for these images, 2 are at the bottom at the waterfall and 2 have got more of the top of the image in. I'm going to I've done that, so I'm going to denoise these 4 images. I'll click denoise and we'll wait. And we'll just click record here. Okay, so click, it's every second image, I'm sure. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 images. So let's say I'm denoised, they're all ready to rumble. One more thing, just calibration, I'll just move up the blue primary 15, say 15%, plus 15 on that, and that's me. I'm quite happy, because this ISO was 800 ISO, so that's why I've done a wee bit of denoising. So I'll just open them in Photoshop now. Let's see, open. So I've got Control Command B to separate them all and put them onto. Voila, that's them. I set that. So first image is there. I'll take the second image and I'm going to drag it over that first image. I'll line it up as best I can. Click that off, don't save. Next image, drag it. That's it. Click on the back image, click it off, don't save. And last image, fourth image, drag it. There, close, don't save. That's it. So line it up a bit better. There we go. Now, as you can see in this layer level, in the layers package here, we've got the background is locked layer. Double click that and unlock it. So that's part of the rest of them as well. After that, we'll select all the layers, 4 layers. We'll go to Edit, Auto Align Layers. Click on Auto. Don't click, I didn't click on anything else. I don't usually, vignette removal, geometric distortion removal. I just click OK. So I'll line this up, and because some of them are, that's it, as you can see, because some of them are a bit more extended at the top there, you can see the trees now. So that's them all auto align layered. As you can see, it's a bit wonky, there's a bit, because it's a square image, this one. And then we'll go to Edit again. Auto blend layers, click OK. And it's done. That's it, done. So I can now layer merge visible. That's okay. Now I can zoom in a little to see any anomalies. Now there's one there, right on this rock here. So I'm going to need to replace that. Now you've got them all here at the edges. We've got one there. I can actually get a new layer. I'm going to put a new layer on here and show you where all the anomalies are. That's what I'm calling them anyway. There's a new layer. I've got my brush tool. White, hardness straight up. Bring it down to there. Right. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to ground and I'll circle all the anomalies. There's one. There's some here. Here. There's a glitch there. Glitch there. Glitch there. As you can see, AI is not that clever. It's alright. But you've got to check all this yourself, because you can't just go ahead and sell this image or print it. There. There's quite a few in this one. And mainly at the top, which isn't too bad. Now that branch there is broken off there. That's a rock at the edge, but that'll get cropped off, that rock. It's a bit distracting. And also at the very top of the image, as you can see, it's a bit blurry. That's where they're not blended correct layer wise. So we'll be zooming in and we'll be cropping that lot out. So right now, what we're looking at, the most of that is the top of this image. Most of it is at the top. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm just going to fix that wee rock. So I'm going to open another image, file, open. I'm going to take one that's similar. Number 69, we've got it. '69's there. I'm going to go. Yeah, we'll reopen 69. It's already noise reduction on it, so we'll just click open. There's nothing there. This one will do the rock. So I'll click open for the rock. Command B. This is the one here that I've opened up. So what I want is this wee rock here. This is all I need to do. I'll select that bit. I'll go edit, copy, edit, paste. And we'll just move this into the. We'll zoom in. Because we need to line this up. It's obviously a wee bit away, so. I'll take the opacity of this down to see where we are with this rock. Spin it round slightly. I think that's okay. Put the opacity back up to 100. Okay. Now we're just going to need to warp this slightly. Edit, transform, warp. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not. Just got to be. You've got to be mindful that Photoshop and their AI can be okay. Sometimes I think that'll do. So now I'll go to the eraser. I'm going to take out this wee bit here. Don't be scared to use your eraser tool. A lot of folk just want to do it. A lot of people just want to do it like. I'm going to take that pencil back there. That's the way. Get a bit of that rock back out there, see that? To there. Right. That looks okay now. Layer, merge visible. The dot's not it, that's it, that's fine. Okay, rocks back, it's fine. So we'll close this one back off. Don't save. Now we need one, we need the waterfall. File, open. We're back to 60, where was I, 68, 69. Sure it was 69, I just opened, wasn't it? It was. So let's go to 68, click open. Waterfall's good, open. Command B, that's them separated. Now, back to the normal image that we're working on. So let me take that back to there. Click that one now. As you can see, we've got all that there. So we've fixed that one. I've done just edit, undo, eraser. That was the wrong layer, so we'll just take that back out there. There we go. Now, this one we're here, where's my wee arrow there, so we've got from about there straight across to the branch. So we've got to include the branch in this. Capture this here, we're including the branch. So we're going about there. Edit, copy, edit, paste. We've got to move this one back over here. To put there. Cut this layer off because we don't need it anymore. Don't cancel. Mistake there. I'm saving something that I don't want to save. Don't save. Okay. Right. Now we're back here. We'll cut this wee. So we'll put the mistakes away. And there we have it. What we need to do now is take the back layer, the one that we're trying to fix, take our eraser, hardness is down and bad, so we're going to like this straight line here, a straight edge. We don't want to see a straight edge in our image. Just a wee eraser brush at 100%. Take that away. Click the root, that's it. There we go, all our mistakes are away. I'm going to take that down to there. All our mistakes are away. Looks good. So now we can delete that layer where we drew in everything. We're okay there. I think we'll merge visible. So we'll go layer, merge visible. I don't want to fill this with generative AI, all the wee bits round about the edges, round here, down the bottom, right up round here. You could fill that with generative AI, but no thanks. So what we have here is this edge here, I think is the closest or furthest, whatever they like to see. Excuse me, to here. That gets ready all the edges. So we'll go image, crop, select and deselect. That looks okay. I think the waterfall can come down a wee touch, colour wise. So we'll go with burn tool here. We'll go 28%, it's still on it, which I've used before. Just bring it down a wee touch. There we go. The next thing is our sponge tool, saturation. We're at 51%, I don't think we need 51%, so we'll go 30. I'm just going to lighten these trees up a wee bit. Touch here and there, in the greens. I think that looks okay. And I think that'll be a saved image. I will turn it black and white, I like it black and white. but to me that's okay. A wee touch here with the dodge tool on the water at the front here. Bring it back out slightly. So we can see it more. And see the wee waterfalls. I think that's a finished image. So that's the way that I would edit my layers, my stack images. But you've always got to check them, because if you don't check them, you'll end up, you go to print and then you'll see a mistake. And then that's a waste of time, eh? So that's the way I do it. Takes a wee bit more time, do it manually. Check your image. You've got to check for mistakes. AI is it's not 100% yet. It's getting there, just not there yet. So, hope you enjoyed that wee bit of a lesson, and I hope it answers some questions. Thanks for watching.